Hey everybody, we've got an absolute cracker of a video about to hit your eyeballs, but before we do, we have some exciting news for you.
Some of these posters behind us, we like to immortalise and commemorate some of our most popular and our most loved builds that we've done over the time we've made the show with these awesome posters, which are original artworks done by a friend of ours called Justami and another mate called Garth, put together and ready for you to enjoy.
And one of them, we have a brand new one which is immortalised from a car that's in today's episode, and that is Mod Max. We've commissioned this brand new artwork. It's so new, we don't even have a copy yet, but you can be one of the first in the world to order yours. Click on the thing up there, or there's a link down below. It'll be a beautiful artwork in the style of this, but featuring Mod Max. We'll individually autograph your poster and then send it to you anywhere in the world. We know some people try and buy a whole lot of these to then sell them because they sell for hundreds of dollars later. So please just limit your order to 2 posters maximum, and we'll send them to you anywhere in the world. Strap yourselves in. Today we've got Midget versus Mod Max. It's going to be absolutely epic. Link below for your poster. See you soon. In this episode of Mighty Car Mods, we've got a fun little battle between 2 mad cars that may look different, but Marty, these are actually very similar in terms of their modification aesthetic.
We have 2 rear-wheel drive sports cars right here, and we're going to do with these things what they do best on the skid pan. Come with us, this is going to be epic. They say in life, all that's actually required to be happy is a rear-wheel drive drift nugget. We've got 2 of them. That one looks like a traditional drift nugget. This doesn't, but it has surprised us with its prowess, its rear-wheel drive excellence, and it also happens to be very practical.
Now, both of these cars actually have exactly the same modifications. Bear with me and let me explain exactly what I'm talking about. Both of the cars are from Japan. Both of the cars have big block swap engines.
True.
Both of the cars have exhausts coming out in strange places, either out the top or out the side, and we thought it would be very fun to put them through a couple of little challenges. We're down here at Sydney Motorsport Park, who've given us the skid pan for the day. Thank you very much. We're going to do some skids, we're going to do some races, and we're going to see which one of these Japanese icons, they are icons, is the ultimate mad, slippy, slidey machine.
Do you need 5 extra cylinders? That's the question. Do you need a locked diff, which this now has, making it even more epic than it's ever been before? We put a limited slip diff in this. You kind of need that to do a proper skid, but we think we have all the ingredients for a very tasty recipe.
All right, so let's just kick right into the challenges. We've got the Daihatsu Midget 2 Big Block versus the LS1 powered S15 Silvia. This is going to be awesome. On 3, tell us which car you want to drive. Hopefully it all works out. Yep, because you'll want that and I'll want that. 1, 2, 3. Midget.
Midget.
You want the Midget?
Yes.
You don't want, that's like the drift machine.
The midget. Look at it.
Which one would you rather drive, Mod Max or the Midget? Anyway, so let's kick off.
Yeah,
let's at least do it. Let's at least do it fairly then. Are you ready? Scissors, paper, rock. Oh, scissors, paper, rock. Oh, damn.
Midget action, people.
I have to drive the LS1 Silvia. Damn.
This Daihatsu Midget came out as a K-Class truck in Japan in the 90s, but now has a big block 1-litre engine and an LSD that we brought in from Japan, which means now it's capable of doing some excellent skids and is a thoroughly unique and super fun single-seat truck.
It's going head-to-head with Mod Max, a car that we built for the Mad Max Fury Road franchise. It started its life as a stat ride-off Nissan Silvia, but now it's powered by a V8 out of a Holden Commodore with pipes pointing straight to the sky. So it's time for our first challenge. This is Go to Woe.
Go to Woe, Martin, a favourite. This one here is a test of, it's an exhilarating test of acceleration and then braking.
And speedo accuracy.
Well, that could be problematic, but we are going to basically accelerate to 60 k's an hour, then put the brakes on. I'm fairly confident the Midget's going to win. It's just going to get off the mark quickly with grip.
Let's go.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1.
All right.
Oh, God. It's so noisy, all of it.
Ah,
sorry.
Okay, you want to count us in?
3, 2, 1, go!
My speedo doesn't work, so I have no idea what just happened. Was that 60?
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah.
All right, my speedo doesn't work. So
you tell me this now.
I don't think that test is going to work. Your speedo works. Can we just do a race instead, like first one to the end?
Yep.
Let's try that again. Okay. First battle has been won by the Midget because it has a speedo. Now we're going to do a drag race. Let's go.
Sure.
For the next challenge, it's a drag race in the wet. First person to get up there somewhere.
Okay.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, that's me. That's me. That's V8 power. That's V8 power, my friends. All right, that's one for Mod Max. Now, the next
So
one that we've got to
silly.
do, of course, and the most important thing with owning a mad dinosaur burning car is the sound of it. So the next one is the exhaust sound challenge.
This is my 3 cylinders of fury out of a 1 litre engine. It's got a side pipe, that's all you need to know.
Okay,
Here we
let's go. Oh, it shot me in the balls.
All right, ready?
I'm ready.
She's a little smoky, what can I say?
There it is. Over here, we got an LS V8 straight piped, just straight out the front.
It looks like a shotgun.
It does look like a shotgun, of course, because this car was made as part of the Mad Max Fury Road promotion. And
Oh, Jesus.
you decide, people.
Oh, it's even got the crackle on the overrun.
What do you
This
think,
puts
Martin?
up, this does pretty well for what it is, but this has always sounded special, hasn't it?
Martin,
It really
I think
has.
we should choose a winner with the score. Actually, give them each a score out of 10, Martin. We're making this up as we go,
yeah,
people.
8.5 all day.
Yep, and
7.
I'm going 10
Yeah, okay.
and 10. I love both of them.
Oh,
I'm
right.
going 10 and 10. There
Yeah,
it
no,
is.
fair enough.
It's
Fair enough.
actually not a tie. This wins because Marty's given that a better score. All right, let's move on to the next challenge.
Next up, it's the Slalom Challenge.
For the next challenge, we will be doing the Slalom Donut Challenge. It is it's an experience that will test the car and driver's agility and precision driving,
Exactly.
Martin.
It's precision driving. I mean, imagine you're in a supermarket car park.
Yes.
And you've got to avoid like shopping trolleys and people and kids on bikes. Like, you got to get around them, but you need that spot.
That's right.
So you've got to loop the spot twice and then come back to where you started, which is exactly what happens at shops, right?
That's exactly what happens. So we're basically going to weave in and out of the cones. At the very end, there's a double cone. We'll have to go around them completely twice, weave back down through, and then
stop where
stop
we
here
start.
where the witches' hats are. The other person will time that person, and
Show us
that
how
will
it's done.
be
Go for it.
the winner. All right,
Let's
I will
go.
go first.
Hey,
We got like a big crowd of people over there. Did you notice? All
Yeah.
filming with their phones, like
Yeah.
heaps of them.
That's awesome.
So yeah, hope they
Audience.
enjoy the show. All right, Mod Max. Just a little bit of agility. Here we go.
on 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, it's so drifty. So drifty. Oh no! No! Oh, I've looped it, but not in the I think that's twice, I don't actually know. All right, back through. I lost a lot of time.
That was scary. 35 seconds.
All right,
Not bad, mate.
I lost it at the end there.
Yeah,
so,
I noticed.
let's see how the midget goes.
All right.
All right, mate. Are you ready?
We're just going to smash this.
All right. What's the time you got to beat?
35.
All right, 35 seconds in. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, he's gonna smash me. Oh yeah, he's done it. 20
I've got
seconds.
him. I've got him for sure. That was so tidy, little midget. You are a tidy, tidy little midget. That was good, wasn't it?
That was very good,
That was
Martin.
good. Come on, come on.
31 seconds.
Yes, I win, Midget.
Awesome, well done, Midget. All right, for the next challenge, hey everybody, how you doing? For the next challenge, we're going to be doing a tight donut around a witch's hat. So the idea is to try and make it nice and clean, smooth, and control. Midget will go first. This here is the donut challenge. The idea is to try and do a nice, controlled, tight donut around a witch's hat. Whichever car can hold the smoothest, tightest donut, which sounds kind of got, but whichever one has the smoothest, tightest donut will win this challenge. It's Midget first. Let's do this.
All right, Midget. You got this. It's all about being smooth.
Yeah, that's right.
Smooth in the donut.
You got this, dude. Let's go.
It's actually harder than it looks too. Here we go, here we go. Not bad. I'm very happy with that. That diff has transformed this car.
Dude, well done.
Isn't it awesome?
Should we just announce this the winner? It was so tight and so smooth. You were just all up and in it.
Oh, it's great.
Look, I'm going to have a go because I want to kind of set the intention that I'm not going to give up,
Can I just mix up the challenge a bit?
Yeah.
I want you to drift around me while I do that. Do you reckon you can do it?
I can do it.
Because then you're the ultimate winner of this challenge. If you can also drift around another car that's drifting around that thing.
I reckon I
Do you reckon?
can. Give me a go, just
I'll have
go
a go.
by myself,
Yeah, cool.
and then we'll jump into that one. Here we go. I could see you looking out the window, like just looking at it, just going, "G'day, mate." All right, Mod Max, come on, let's see what you can do. Here we go. All right. Okay, here we go. The midget's got it. I can't get that close.
That was good.
I can't get as close as you, man.
That was good though.
Thank you, man, but I can't get as close.
Do you accept my challenge to now drift around the midget?
I will drift. So let me get this right. The midget is going to be doing a nice, tight, clean
As tight as I can.
donut.
Yep.
And then I'm going to be on the outside drifting around the midget.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
If this works, this is going to be sick.
Oh, the midget's in such good condition. I don't care about this, but I care about that.
You can be like 3 meters away.
Dude, I want to be 3 centimeters away.
Oh God, no, that's a bad idea. Holy shit, that was literally that far away. Ruh-roh. The midget is the winner. Look, it happens. It's just this in life, man. Doesn't matter how much you fix it with your General Motors.
The winner is the midget, everybody. And my car's still fine.
Oh look, there's nothing leaking out of this at all, is there? Like definitely nothing leaking out of the midget. Oh.
What's that?
Wait, is that oil?
No, it's just water, dude. You're good. All right, well, that is the end. Thanks, everybody. The winner, because it still stands, is the Midget. That was a whole lot of fun. Thanks for watching.
Oh, dude, I just seen Mod Max front on, but going sideways like this.
Great.
That was hectic.
Fantastic.
That was so cool. Diffs, people, real drive cars, manual, good diff, skid it.
And a tow truck.
Yeah, well, you're gonna need a lot of that.
We need to get a car trailer. Yeah.
We
not
badly
great.
need a car trailer.
All right. Let's get a tow truck. See everyone. Oh,